Hi everybody, Ryan Weber out here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. And right now, we're gonna be looking at 2017 Leisure Travel Wonder, and it's the Murphy bed. We'll go inside and I'll show you what that is. So right here, we have on the Ford Transit chassis, great chassis. It's got the upgraded Alcoa aluminum wheels, big oversized mirrors. You can really see your blind spots really well. Full body paint, which is just absolutely beautiful job that Leisure Travel does putting these together. We have our awning with LED strip inside of it. Lots of storage underneath here. Here we have our battery bay, storage, electrical outlet, Onan propane generator. We have more storage right here, and we'll just be a little careful here. Right here, you can put golf clubs in here, a fold-up bike, fishing rods, all sorts of good stuff. Lots of storage. Remember what Leisure Travel's known for, storage. We go around the back and look at the way this thing is built. It is just, it's sleek, it's sexy, it's hot. These are just beautiful units. Backup camera. Right under here, we have our utility station. Little external shower, where your macerator pump, all that good stuff. Here's your shore power, and it does have the Truma hot water system. Good sized propane tank. And then again, we have more storage. Again, this is on the Ford Transit chassis. Extremely comfortable. It drives like a car. Let's go inside and look at the fun stuff now. One thing I do notice too, right when I go inside, has a nice privacy glass. Fire extinguisher right at the door. And this is a B+. So we have a little bit of storage up here. Nice privacy shade that'll separate the cockpit from the coach. This is the theater seating. Murphy bed does fold down. Here we have a really nice setup here, which is our TV. Folds right up with, guess what? More storage. Down below, sound bar. Close it up nice and easy. More storage up above. We go into the galley here. We have solid Corian countertop, 2-burner cooktop, nice deep stainless steel sink, little basket for your spices and all that good stuff. And again, guys, nice refrigerator, freezer. We come back here. Here's the dry bath. Good size shower that you can actually stand up in and really enjoy yourself. Nice toilet, full size mirror. More cabinetry, and that just about does it here. Ryan Weber out at Johnson RV. If I'm not available, talk to any one of our outfitters. Thank you.